My favorite thing about working here at Enginetech would be the chance to work with everyone around the world, getting the best price we can and the best quality we can for our customers. That's what they deserve, and that's what we strive to do. My passion for engines, I don't necessarily have a very true passion for engines. It's something that I'm learning here for almost 3 years now. I've learned every day something new, which has helped me develop a liking and more knowledge that I want to gain from engines. Now I have to get my wife to agree to let me rebuild something. One thing I want people to know about Enginetech is everybody here cares. We care about our vendors, we care about our customers, we care about the sales team, helping you guys out on something fitting a certain year range, from the engineers helping out with application issues, questions, concerns. We're all here for you guys, and we love y'all.